Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Microsoft Outlook to automatically organize your emails and keep your inbox clean and manageable. If you receive a large number of emails every day, such as work messages, newsletter, notification updates, manual sorting can quickly become overwhelming. Outlook offers powerful automation features to solve this problem. In this video, I will show you step by step through how to create rules in Outlook, automatically move emails into folder, prioritize important messages, and reduce inbox clutter. So right now we are at the outlook.live.com. This is our email section. Make sure that you have already logged into your Microsoft account. As you can see that on the right corner, I have already logged into my Microsoft Outlook account. Okay, so I will show you how you can set up your inbox. So you just click on this view option and then you will get a view settings. Okay, so just click on the view settings, and here you will see layout for like focused inbox. Do you want Outlook to sort your email to help you focus on what matters the most? So the important emails will go directly into your focused inbox. I have already selected this option. Okay, so you must select this option, otherwise all the email will go into a single inbox section. Okay, so there is another section for the rules which I was talking in the start. So in the role section you can add a new role in which if you are getting specific email from a specific person with a specific keywords, then you can add that email of that person. You can add the specific subject, and you can also add the specific keyword, so that all the emails sent by a same person or the same email address containing same subject containing same keywords will be sent into another folder. So this is how you can organize the emails of that specific person into a specific folder. Okay, so let's just click add a new role. No, you can name your role, like I'm going to role it rule 1, and you can add multiple conditions, like if you can select from the people, like if the person is sending you the email, you just select from the from option. Okay, so if you receive email from a specific person, you will write the email of that person. I'm just writing. Okay, so if I received emails from this action, from this email address, then what will be the action? So we can select multiple actions, like move you can move it to another folder, you can mark as read, mark as junk, or you can forward it, or you can redirect it to. So let's suppose we want to pin it to the top. Okay, so the emails coming from that specific email address, okay, will be pinned to the top. So that's how you can add rules. You can add multiple rules. As you can see that from this selection, you can also add condition on the basis of name. You can also add condition on the basis of subject as well as on the basis of keywords. So that's how you can rearrange your emails. So I hope you like the settings, how you can rearrange your email automatically in Outlook. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.